So, what is Omicron? The new variant of coronavirus. Everybody knows that for the past 2.5 years, coronavirus has ravaged the entire world. Millions of people have lost their lives, and so many families have lost their loved ones. That's such a sad thing. Yet, we are not able to stop the spread of the pandemic. We need to understand what exactly is the virus. When it started off in China 2 years back, 2.5 years back, in Wuhan, the first variant of the coronavirus came out. Not much was known about the virus back then because it was only localized in China at that point of time. But within a few months, it started spreading all over. The reason being, people were traveling all across the globe. People were traveling to Chinese people were traveling out of China, and that is how the virus spread. We also found out later on a very peculiar behavior of the virus. And what is that? That it changes its behavior, its symptoms after some time, let's say after a few months. The last one was the Delta variant, which started affecting people all over the world some 4 5 months back, and people are still getting infected from it. Most of them are recovering, and some have lost their lives. Now we have a new virus, a new variant of coronavirus, which is known as the Omicron. This was discovered in South Africa some time back, and it is spreading rapidly all around Europe. And from there, it is spreading to other countries like Australia, New Zealand, and many other countries. Now, scientists say that they have not been able to find out much about Omicron because within a short period of time it has spread its wings all over and it's spreading very rapidly. But what the scientists say that they know for sure is that people who have comorbidity or who have age related problems are at a much higher risk of getting it. That's right. Aged people are more prone to getting it. And apart from that, they say that the symptoms at this point of time are not really known, and it can start from a very mild symptom like slight fever or a cold or even a body ache. At present, all the symptoms have not been verified. So, even a slight behavior, even a slight fever, even a slight fever should make you think that you should go to the doctor and get it tested, get a blood test done. But one thing that the scientists are quite sure of is that it's spreading very fast and it will spread even more faster than the other variants. And one thing that they are not really sure of, and they're trying to find it out as quickly as possible, is whether the vaccines that we have taken, whether that vaccine will be effective on this virus or not. So that will take up some time to find out. But what can we do in the meantime? Many people have not taken the vaccine, first thing that we need to do, people who are watching this video, and everybody knows about the variant. People out there who have not taken a vaccine, please, please, please do take the vaccine. Apart from that, what else can we do? Not much. Cover your face when you go out with a mask that you use normally. Eat healthy. Do some exercise. Sanitize your hands as often as possible. Whenever you go home, just go and wash your hands thoroughly with a good soap. Dry your hands. And after that, if you want, you can just put a little bit of sanitizer and rub them on your fingers, hands, and you are done. But the first thing that you require is to get yourself vaccinated. Please understand this, that people who are vaccinated are at a lesser risk of falling seriously ill. Right? If you have the vaccine and you've taken the vaccine, you can get the virus, you can get corona, but the chances of you falling seriously sick or seriously ill are lesser than a person who's not taken the vaccine at all. So at this point of time, we do not know how potentially dangerous Omicron is, but as per the scientists, what they have said is it can be quite a high risk virus for people who are aged and people with comorbidity. So the least we could do is get ourselves vaccinated, take care of ourselves, and stay safe. Avoid all kinds of travel if you can. If you can delay it after some time, please do that. Only travel when it's of utmost necessity. You have some very important work and you need to travel out of the country. And many countries are planning to go in for a complete lockdown again. So let's just be careful. We do not know much about Omicron right now. So the least we can do is, by the time it has rapidly spread and we are at a risk of getting it, we cannot prevent that. What can we do? People will fall sick. So let's just get ourselves vaccinated, stay safe, and I'm sure it's not gonna touch us and everybody will be fine, and whosoever gets it will recover very fast. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and pray that this doesn't spread and the pandemic starts receding as it had started going back. We don't want another year of pandemic next year. We want to see ourselves fit and fine and just move around like a happy person. So please stay safe, take care of yourself, and if you have not vaccinated yourself, please go and take the dosage. Bye for now.